In this video I'll show you how to add a contact in your home screen. So you can easily dial a phone number quickly from the home screen without having to go to the phone app. So you go to the phone app, and in the phone app, if you're searching for the contact in the phone's app, if you click here, it will say edit before call, but you can click on the profile picture and you get to this view where you can edit the contact information. And here on this view, you go to the menu there, the three-dot menu, add to home screen, and you get this. I don't know if you can customize it here, but you can add this to the home screen. It's added to home screen. And it's gonna be here, and I could move it around, or maybe no, I'll leave it here. So here I can call this number, edit the number. I can go straight to the contact and call from here, or I could even write a text message. I could send a text message to John Sourdough. It doesn't exist, it's not a real number. I could make a call, and it's not a real number, so it shouldn't really connect to anyone. Hopefully I didn't call someone. Can customize the size of this widget, make it smaller like this, or even smaller, just one dot like that. And if you want to remove it, also I can click here and it shows me the information. And if you want to remove the widget, you can change the settings or remove, and it's gone. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you next time.